Hey everybody, I got some big boards charts to hit you with. I'll just jump right into it. ALIT is the first one. It closed 84 cents a share, which was pretty much the high of the day. It's been holding the 20-day moving average as support, and if you can have a little push off that, a dollar is near term is quite possible. And I do like the gap fill to $1.25. When I say gap fill, there's a time where it fell off and there's no, basically it opened up much lower and there's no trading in between. So when they start to fill the gap per se, then they can move up pretty quickly there. So as long as momentum follows, and this one's been having some good volume, so I like its chances on this one. The next one is CLOV, $3.50 a share. It's had a really strong move up the chart from $1.70 range or so. The pullback tested 330 a couple times now, and so that looks like strong support. And if it can push up off of it, which it had started to yesterday, $4 test is quite realistic in my opinion. VNRX, $2.35 a share. Strong move off the bottom, really strong move. It's been, pushed down by the 20-day moving average. It moved above it a little bit. 251 is the moving average for the 20. Traded up there for a little bit, pulled back towards the end of the day. But if it can pop it again and hold it as support in the next day or two, or near term anyways, the 50-day moving average is $3.19. And the possibility is there for that. I'm not saying it will, obviously, but once moving averages pop, and add, they come in as support, then you could see strong moves off of it. So yesterday was basically testing the waters, and let's see if it can do it again today and move a little bit higher. LODE, I highlighted this one yesterday, $3.92. Continues to climb up the chart with $4.80 highs on the chart. Feels like it's swinging it up that way. You can make a nice scalp trade, as they say, and all the indicators are curling up. I'd love to see that on a chart, so keep that one on your radar. HYFT, $1.26, sneaky little play as it closed above the 20-day and the 50-day moving average yesterday, and has a clear path to test the 200-day moving average at 168. Not saying it will, but the potential is there now that it's using the other two moving averages as support. Could make another nice scalp play on the way up. It's always good to take money off the table, and this has that potential. The next one is POET, $13.07 a share. Had a really strong run up the chart, I believe up to around about $21 a share. Pulled way back. It tested the 20-day moving average in the look at my notes, in the $9 range, I believe, and it bounced strong off of that, so that's very encouraging. And I want to see if it can rebound from here and maybe test $14, $15 range near term. Last one I have is EDSA, $11.95 a share. Broke below the 20-day moving average, and it tested the 50-day moving average at 950 or so. Bounced strong off of it to get back over the 20, which I want to see it set up as support now. Again, 1265 is the 20, and could reset recent highs around 14 in my opinion. So that's all I have for now. If you like the videos, check out some of the others. I've had some nice ones, so thank you for watching the videos, and I'll see you soon.